Hello, my all dear and beloved little peoples of class PG. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fine, and today I am back again here with you to do our today's mathematics class. So students, we will have revision class on mathematics. I know that you already have learned to write or to count straight from 1 to 20. And I will show you today also how to write 1 to 20 by using the term tens and ones. TO2. T is for tens, O is for ones. Okay? And today we will revise writing or counting, straight counting right from 1 to 20. Okay? And including this, today we will also revise the after number and the between numbers. And today we will also revise to count the given objects and say the numbers. Okay students, so let's we start our today's class. See in this copy, I have written write from 1 to 20. You don't need to write, but you have to count straight from 1 to 20. Okay, and when you will go to the nursery class in your next class, then you will have to write in this way. That is, I am showing you. Okay, so let's start. So here I have written T O. T is for tens, as you know, and O is for ones. And as you know that all the single digit numbers should be placed in the place of ones, that means below the O, and all the dual digit numbers should be placed separately in both of tens and ones, and the right hand side number should be placed in tens place and the left hand side numbers should be placed in the ones place. Okay, in that way you will have to write all these things. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So from 1 to 9 are the single digit numbers. That is why it has been placed in these have been placed in the place of ones. And what comes after 9? What do you say after 9? Yes, you say 1 0 10. So 1 is the right hand side number, and as the term 1 should be placed in the tens place. Yes, so this is tens, and straight to the tens place 1 should be placed and 0 should be placed in 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, in the similar way, 1 1 1 tens, 1 ones is 11, 1 tens, 2 ones is 12, 1 tens, 3 ones, 1 tens, 3 ones is 13, 1 tens, 4 ones is 14, 1 tens, 5 ones is 15, 1 tens, 6 1 is 16. Again I will write TO2. 1 tens, 7 ones is 17, 1 tens, 8 ones is 18, 1 tens, 9 ones is 19, and 2 tens or 2 0 is 2 tens. Okay, so in that way you will have to write or count right from 1 to 20 by using the term tens and ones, as you already have learned before. Okay, now today we will revise how to write or what comes after and what comes between. Now all of you look at the page. I have written what comes after. See, what comes after. That means a number will be given to you and a dash will be put after the number, and you will have to think about the after number. Okay, so 1 is written and a dash is put after 1. That means you will have to write the after number of 1 on this dash. So what comes after 1? 2. Very good. Because you say 1 and then 2. That is why 2 is the after number of 1. What is this? This is 3. And what is the after number of 3? 4. Very good. When you say 1, 2, 3, then you say 4 also after 3. What is this? This is 5. And what comes after 5? 6. What is this? 9. Very good. And what is the next number of 9? Do you know? Yes. 1, 0, 10. You say 9 and then after you say 10. That is why 10 is the after number of 9. What is this? 8. And what will you write after 8? 9. What is this? 1, 0, 10. And what's the next number? 1, 1, 11. Very good. What is this? 1, 3, 13. And what is the next number of 13? Very good. 14. 1, 4, 14. Or 1 tens, 4 ones is 14. Here 14 is also written. See, look very attentively. 1, 4, 14. And a dash is put after number 14. So what should be placed here? 15. Very good. 1, 5 is 15. And 15 is the after number of 14. What is this? 1, 9, 19. 1 tens, 9 ones is 19. And what's the next number? 20. 2, 0, 20. So in that we'll have to write after numbers. And here is the between numbers. As I have told you previously that in the case of after number or between number, you just similarly you'll just have to think about the after numbers only, because one number is given before to you and then after you will found a dash, and in that way you'll have to think about the after number of the given number. Okay, between number means in one side a number will be written and another side a number will be written, and a blank place or a blank place should be, or a dash should be put in between these two numbers. Okay, so previously you will be given a number. Okay, then you will have to think about the after number, that is, as here 1 is given and a dash is given after 1, so you'll have to think about the after number of 1, right? So what is the after number of 1? 2. So you will write 2. Here 2 will be placed on the dash. Okay, so now it's arranged 1, 2, 3. Now it's sequentially arranged 1, 2, 3. Okay, similarly, what is this? This is 4 and dash is given after 4 and then 5 is written, 6 is written. Okay, so as 4 is written previously and dash is given after 4, so you'll have to think about the after number of 4 as it is placed between 4 and 6. So what's the after number of 4? Very good, 5 is the after number of 4. So 4, 5, 6 and it's sequentially arranged. What is this? 7. And what is the next number? As the next of the 7, a dash is put. So you have to write the after number of 7. And what's the after number of 7? It's 9. No, 9 is already written. So what's the number of 7? 8. Very good. So 8 is the between number of 7 and 9. And 8 is also the after number of 7. Okay. Similarly, 5 is the between number of 4 and 6. And 5 is also the after number of 4. The 2 is the between number of 1 and 3. And in another side, from the another side, 2 is also the after number of 1. Okay. Now, what is this? 1, 0, 10. And what's the next number of 10? 11, as you already have done before. 1, 0, 10 and after number is 1, 1, 11. So 11 is in one side, 11 is the between number of 10 and 12, and from another side 11 is the after number of 10. 12, 1 to 12, and what will be the next number? 13. What is this? 1, 8, 18, and what will be placed here? 19, and then 2, 0, 20. So in that way your after number and between number will be done. Okay, hope you all have understood well. Now students, see, here in this page I have drawn some objects, and you will have to what? Count all of them and tell the exact number. So first I have drawn some stars, and count all of them. How many stars are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many stars? 7 stars. Here it is. Here 7 is written. And below the stars, what are these things? Trees. How many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many trees? 9 trees. Again I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 is written here. Okay. Now how many birds? These are the birds. These all are the birds. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 1 tens, 8 ones makes number 18. What are these? These are the shapes. Which shape? Yes, triangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many triangles are here? 13 triangles. So here you will do in this way. Okay, in the exam, in that way you will be given some objects to count, and you will have to count all of them, and then you will have to tell the exact number. Hope you all have understood today's class very well, and as it is already done before, so it's quite easy to understand. Okay, for you. So all of you must practice at your home. Today is up to this. All of you take care of yourself. Stay safe at your home. Till then, bye-bye.